So how do we define the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is defined as half of the base of the triangle multiplied by the height of the triangle. What does that mean? And how do I get the height and the base of a triangle? For example, now consider this triangle PQR. If you have to get the height and the base of the triangle, we need to follow a few procedures that are mentioned here. So from the vertex of a triangle, so P, Q and R are the vertices of the triangle. So take a and the base is basically the that side of the triangle which is right at the bottom. So this is the base of the triangle. So if you take the vertex that is opposite of the base, that is P, and draw a straight line, this is a straight line that you draw at 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees here. So angle PMQ and angle PMR are both 90 degrees, and this then becomes the height of the triangle. So let's say this is H, that is the height of the triangle, and let's say the length of QR is B, which is the base of the triangle. So the area of the triangle according to the formula will then become area of PQR is equal to half of QR, which is the base, and multiplied by PM, which is the height of the triangle, which means half of base into height. So this is how we define the area of a triangle. Let's take a few examples to make this very clear. Let's say there is a triangle as given here. This is a very simple example. It is triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Here we already have a right angle triangle, which is this is the angle that is 90 degrees. So PQR is 90 degrees, and we have been given the two sides. This is 3 and this is 4. So we need to calculate the length of. We need to calculate the area of PQR. Okay. So here, since we know that this is the base, right? This is the base which is at the bottom of the triangle. This is the base, which is the vertex which is opposite that. The vertex which is opposite that is P. And now we have a straight line drawn at 90 degrees as defined. So this automatically becomes the height of the triangle. So height of the triangle we know is 3. The base of the triangle we know is 4. So now let's use this and calculate the area. Area is half of height into base. So that area of triangle PQR then becomes half of height, which is 3, and base, which is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12, and half of 12 is 6. So the area of the triangle PQR is 6 centimeters square. Okay. Let's take one more example, which is a little different than what was done earlier. Here, what you have been given is a triangle XYZ, and the area of the triangle is given to here. The area of this triangle is 280 centimeters. Okay, and it is also given here that length. The length we have to here find the length of XM, which is drawn perpendicular to YZ. So that means this line is drawn at 90 degrees to YZ. So this is the base, right? The base is given of the triangle, which is 14. And XM, since we have been told that XM is drawn perpendicular, which is 90, that means that the vertex which is opposite the base is drawn here at 90 degrees. So XM automatically becomes the height, and that is the length we have to calculate. So here we have to calculate the height as we have been given the area and the base. So let's go for it. Here, area of XYZ is half of XM, which is the height, multiplied by the base, which is 14. So that's how we have. So 14, so half into 14 is 7. So 7 times of XM, 7 into XM is equal to 280, which is the area. Therefore, XM will be equal to 280 divided by 7, which is equal to 40. Hence, the length of XM, that is the length of the height, length of the segment XM, which is also the height of the triangle, is 40 centimeters. Okay, I hope this is clear.